Okay, here's how we can open up a new Explorer window in Windows 7. Now, by Explorer window, I mean the folder. This window we're in is called the Explorer window. It's generally where you have all your folders stored. So when you navigate into a folder, you're using what's called the Explorer window. Okay, so sometimes you might want to open up a new one if you're trying to drag and drop folders. So I'll just show you an example. If I click on Documents and I went into this one here, Snagit, you can see it didn't open in a new folder window. It just opened directly in that folder. Now we can change that to say go to Organize, Folder and Search Options. Then we can say under General, open each folder in its own window. Okay, click Apply, click OK. What that means is then when I double click Snagit, for example, that folder then opens in its own folder again. And again, if I click on a folder within that folder, it opens in a new window. Obviously this is useful if you're trying to drag and drop and copy stuff. If that's how you prefer to do things, you can just pick them up and drag them into other folders. It's just a quicker way to open up a new folder window. Another way to do it, obviously, is if you have your folder option and your quick taskbar along the bottom. Mine's here. I'm not sure if it's there by default on Windows 7, but on the bottom here you'll have a folder icon. You can right click on that and choose Windows Explorer, and that does exactly the same. It just opens up a new Window Explorer window, and from there you can start navigating into your folders. So all I've done is right clicked, so I'm using the mouse, right clicked on the folder option. It gives me all these options here, and I just choose Windows Explorer. I can do that as many times as I like, just keep opening up new windows if I need to drag and drop files. Another thing I can do is right click here, and you'll see as I hover over these folders, you get a little pin icon that appears on the right here, and I can pin it to a list, and the list is obviously at the top where it says pinned. And I'll just show you. I can obviously unpin that, and I can pin it, and I can choose to pin other folders. Generally, if there's folders that I regularly go to, I can pin them. Obviously what that means is if I want to quickly get to a folder rather than trying to navigate and find the file, or the folder, sorry, I can just right click, choose the folder, it takes me straight to it. Okay, so it's really just a shortcut, or it might make things quicker for you if you're trying to navigate and always find a folder. It's very similar to having a shortcut on your desktop. Windows XP used to have a shortcut feature. You can still add shortcuts, but this is just another shortcut way. This actually works for quite a few different programs as well. But that's how you open a new Windows Explorer window using Windows 7.